Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 15th, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Wednesday out there. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well also. I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far. Thank y'all for supporting my channel. I hope I continue to grow. I'll grow my channel with more and more subscribers. And also, if you have not subscribed yet and you're a new viewer, smash that subscribe button. Love to have you on board so I can keep you up to date with the local forecast across the lower 48. Okay, if you don't mind, also smash the like button. Also smash that subscribe button, the like button, and also share these videos out to as many people as possible. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about the watches, warning, and advisory maps across the lower 48 here. We're going to take a look at the Doppler radar system across the lower 48, and also the Storm Prediction Center outlook for the next 2 days, and also take a look at the HRRR model radar kind of model here to show you about what the radar would look like at a certain point in time. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here. Let's dive on into the forecast. Alright, this is what we're looking at here across the lower 48. We got a few wind advisories across portions of the northeast. Pretty much the rest of the lower 48 pretty quiet across the southeastern corner of the United States. We have a severe thunderstorm watch over portions of northeast Texas and central Oklahoma. Also, we have wind advisory, high wind warnings and watches down here. Fire weather watches also in effect. Fire weather warnings in effect for southwest Texas. We have we have some freeze watches. Freeze warning in effect for California and portions of Arizona. And also we have some wind chill advisories over Wyoming. And also we have this big area of winter storm warnings and also winter weather advisories extending all the way from Colorado and Utah all the way over to Michigan. This here will continue to affect portions of the northeastern United States later this week. You're expected to get 6 to 8 inches of snow, maybe up to a foot in some locations in the warning area. Alright, and pretty much the northwestern portion of the United States is pretty quiet as well. Alright, scattered activity across the southeastern United States. Here's that little system here cranking up over in the middle portion of the United States. That will continue to lift off into the Great Lakes. We have a little area up here in Canada that will continue to lift off to the northeast and affect portions of southern Canada and also northeast Canada and also over toward Nova Scotia. And also we will have precipitation coming in from the portion of the northwestern portion of the United States as well, over around Seattle, Washington area. Alright. Here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center page. We still have that enhanced risk of severe weather here in the darker yellow, orange looking. Then in the lighter yellow, that's a slight risk. Green is a marginal risk, and the lighter green is general thunderstorms. In this area here, cannot rule out a few severe thunderstorms in the lighter green areas as well. If you're in the path of these severe weather in the marginal risk, this includes the cities of Nashville, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi, Springfield, Missouri, Evansville, Indiana, and Beaumont, Texas. And also if you're in the slight risk area, this includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plato, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And if you're in the enhanced risk, this includes the cities of Memphis, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Alright, here's your tornado probability. You see the 2% in the green, we have 5% in the brown, and 10% in the slashed area there. That's where the greatest chance of seeing a tornado in this here area here. That's the EF2 or greater. So if you're in this area here, please be on the lookout for severe weather in your location. Alrighty, and also in the other areas as well. Alright, if you're in the wind area, the 5% in the brown, Then we got 15% in the yellow and 30% in the red. That y'all still in that enhanced risk area. That's where the greatest chance of severe winds would be, in the 30% risk area. All right, now we got brown is a 5% for hail, 15% in the yellow, and a little bit higher chance there in the slashed area for hail. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at day 2 outlook now. As you can see here, we still got the general thunderstorm in the lighter green area. Darker green area is marginal risk. The yellow area is a slight risk, and the enhanced risk area is in the oranger looking color. Okay, if you're in the marginal risk area, this includes Indianapolis, Illinois, Indiana, New Orleans, Louisiana, Cleveland, Ohio, Atlanta, Georgia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And if you're in the slight risk area, this includes Columbus, Ohio, Memphis, Tennessee, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Montgomery, Alabama, and Mobile, Alabama. And also, if you're in the enhanced risk, this includes the cities of Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and Birmingham, Alabama. All right, let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, and 10% in the slashed area. And this is where we have the greatest severe weather risk here in the 10% area for EF tornadoes or larger in that region. All right, damaging winds would be 30% risk area here in the red. And let's see, the hail probability, 5% in the brown and 15% in the yellow. And day 3 day 3 just showed just general thunderstorms over portion of South Carolina, southern South Carolina, and the portion of northern Florida. There could be some severe weather there. I'll have to wait and see what the Storm Prediction Center shows in their next outlook on that. All right, now here we're going to take a look at the HRRR model. We're starting it at 8 p.m. this evening. This is what the radar should look like. As you can see, let's go back to the radar view and kind of compare it with it. This is pretty well close to what I see on the HRRR model. It's pretty close what I see by Doppler radar. Okay, let's move forward there. We're going to stop it at 8. We're going to stop at 11 a.m. February the 16th. That's on your Thursday. There's that line of severe weather extending from that low pressure system over the Ohio River Valley, stretching all the way back down into the Gulf Coast. Keep on going a little further. As you can see, that line gets a little more intense. That's why they got the margin. That's why they got the marginal, slight, and enhanced risk for severe weather for this region here, with that line of thunderstorm moving through. And as we continue to move forward, this goes out to 3 a.m. Friday morning, excuse me. Low pressure located over Pennsylvania, a trailing cold front extending all the way back down into the Gulf Coast region near Louisiana. Showers and a few thunderstorms will continue to move east. Like I said, I would not be surprised to see a marginal risk may be issued for the portions of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and portions of Florida Friday. Just like I said, I'm just waiting to see what the Storm Prediction Center put. It might not be, but I'm just going to wait and see what they say. All right, as we go forward, here comes that line moving on through the Caribbean offshore. Should be around 1 to 2 p.m. Friday afternoon. So, give or take, it could be a little later, it could be a little earlier. But right now, according to this model here, showing around 1 to 2 p.m. it should be exiting the East Coast. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you. And like these videos, share these videos, and get them on out the door as quickly as possible. Alrighty, well, this concludes our forecast for tonight. We will catch you back in the next one.